Hey y'all, coming to you from international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2019 SEMA Show, and I came across a 1977 Peterbilt jet truck I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. Something a little out of the ordinary for me, although, you know, cool is cool, and it's not the first semi-truck I have shot, although it may be the first jet-powered semi-truck I have shot. 1977 Peterbilt 352 cab over is what it started life as you can tell. Much different now, looking up the internals of the jet engine. As a matter of fact, it's got a J46 Westinghouse jet engine and two 100-gallon tanks. It runs diesel fuel. Now, I knew that JP4 jet fuel and diesel fuel were close, but obviously you can make one do for the other. At least you can make diesel fuel run a jet motor. I don't know if you can make jet fuel run a diesel motor, but engine, I'm sorry, I used the wrong terminology there. But you can see, custom chassis, you look into the grill, and really it's a roller with brakes. And obviously it gets all the thrust from that jet engine that's mounted to the back of it. But it's got, you know, full roll cage. It's, you know, obviously it performs. This thing, I don't have a video of it running. They didn't fire it up at SEMA, but I'm sure there's video out there of it running. Very nicely done on the inside. You know, it's a race truck, but obviously I like the fact that it's got room for a passenger. I'd like to take a ride in that. But no, I thought it was nicely done, and I thought it was interesting too that really it's got brake master cylinders or whatever, you know, I don't know nothing, but there they go. Really, that's how you control it. You fire up that jet motor, and from there you're either on the brakes or off the brakes. It'll do the quarter mile in just over 9 seconds, 9.10 seconds, 157 miles an hour. It's getting on pretty good for a semi truck. Alcoa Super Singles in the back. Top speed's over 200 miles an hour. I don't know if I'd be down with that. I think this thing would have a big air push, you know, from a bubble, whatever you want to call it. It's nice though, it's clean. Well, think of how fast they could make one if they did it with the new, like, Freightliners or whatever that's got the slant nose on them, right? This is just a classic, cool looking truck, even if it wasn't a jet truck. Glad that it was, but even though if it wasn't, I just thought, you know, it was crisp and clean, and y'all would want to see it. Even if it had an old, you know, I don't know what they put in here, Caterpillars, you know, had that motor in it. It was still engine, I'm sorry. Would have been something video worthy in my opinion. I like the colors, I like everything about it. It's a cool truck. And I thought y'all would want to see it. I don't think there's any kind of body mods or anything to it. The cab part of it. A little reading information for you. So there you go, from the 2019 SEMA Show, a 1977 Peterbilt 352 cab over, white cloud jet truck. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.